Paid up capital, painful necessity, painful operation, paper currency, paper currency reserve, per excellence, paramount necessity, parliamentary secretary of state, parliamentary under secretary, parliamentary under secretary of state, part time, particular time and place, passenger fares, passenger services, passenger traffic, passenger train, passive resistance, past and present, past few weeks, payable by installments, payable on demand, paying in sleep, payment on demand, pecuniary gain, pecuniary loss, panel servitude for life, pending receipt, per per head of the population, per mile, per parcels post, perfectly satisfactory, perfectly satisfied, personal estate, personal experience, personal nature, personal secretary, place on record, place to place, plans and estimates, plans and specifications, play an important part, plays a prominent part, please acknowledge receipt, please let us hear, please make the necessary arrangements, please take the necessary action, please turn over, please wire us, plenty of time, point at issue, pointed out, police court, police inquiry, police force, police investigation, police officer, police regulations, police sergeant, policy holders, policy of the government, political economy, political life, political meetings, political organization, political reasons, political service, poor law administration, poor law officers, popular belief, popular opinion, port of call, position of importance, position of responsibility, position of trust, postal clerk, postal expenses, postal facilities, postmaster general, potential value, pounds sterling, powerhouse, power of attorney, practical experience, precautionary measures, preceding year, prefatory note, prefatory remarks, preference shares, preference stock, preferential right, preferential treatment, preferred stock, preliminary announcement, preliminary examination, preliminary investigation, preliminary report, present and future, present situation, present state of affairs, president of the Chamber of Commerce, president of the council, presidential address, press for a reply, pressure of work, prevailing circumstances, prevailing conditions, previous statement, previous year, previous year's accounts, prima facie, primary school, prime minister, prince of Wales, private affairs, private and confidential, private arrangements, private enterprise, private firms, private industry, private mark, private means, private nature, private ownership, private school, privy council, pro pharma invoice, pro rata, problem of transport, productive period, professional service, promissory note, pros and cons, provident fund, provincial newspaper, provincial office, provincial staff, provisional arrangement, provisional program, provisional specification, psychological moment, public library, public library board, public opinion, public works, public works department, punishable offense, purchase of land, purchase price, purchasing power, put an end to,